So friends, in this lecture we will just change the skin tone of this model. Okay, so you have this here, click here and select the hue saturation and change the skin tone like this. Okay, a little bit darker and adjust some the curves. All right, now and just to the hair we will just select the brush tool. Okay, increase our brush size, and this is the white, then we will select the black one and just remove the extra part that we don't want to change this color. Okay, so just like this with this with her mouth. All right, and some with her eyes and her eyebrows. All right, and do the color this one that we have just uh, like it's selected the whole area when I click when I just change the hairs. So you can just switch the color to the X using the X key to the white and just the, okay, and just hold your mouse on her skin tone, and this one here just remove this color too. Okay, and zoom in, and for the mouth use the detailed. Alright, seems pretty much clear, and her eyes is also seems to be pretty much clear. Okay, her eyebrows. Okay, so just you have only have to just hold your mouse, just hold on your left key and move your mouse on the area that you don't want to change the color. All right, so just like this we have just changed the color. Okay, so we just changed her skin tone. All right, you see, and using the curve just like the create clipping mask. All right, you see we have just changed her color like this to this. Okay, and if you want to change more, then you can just click here and just select, and the remaining part will not change because we just deleted that part from our selected area. So you can just change the parts like this. All right, so if you want to just do the black and white image, okay, then you only have to just do the invert. Okay, so it's control shift U, you see it's a completely black and white image. And if you don't want to change these parts, okay, so we can do these things also. Just remove this hue and curve, and this is my black and white image, and select the layer mask. Okay, and this is the white, then select this black and just remove the area. Oh, all right, so first we need this image, and okay, now do the black and white. All right, and from here we're going to select the brush and just remove the part that you don't want to be black and white. All right, actually this is a layer mask, and we are gonna mask the part that we don't want to make like in the black and white. We applied the black and white filter on this image, and we don't want this part, so we are removing this part from the black and white filter. So this is what like the layer mask will work. And make sure that the brush you have selected is this soft edge. Okay, this soft round edge, because the hard one shows the some edges that we don't want to like in our image, because it is not showing like the professional or not is like you are doing in the Photoshop. So it's just like when I click here the round you see is showing the sharp edges, which is not good when you're editing the image. So prefer this soft uh, the soft brush, okay, soft round brush. So remove the part that you don't want to be the black and white, just like this. The clipping mask will work here, okay. And this is like we are just change the image, just like the whole image black and white, but the some part is the color, okay. And you can just only save this image, just like the press Ctrl Shift S, and you can save this image. So this is how we can use the filters, just like the black and white filter, and we can change the skin tone using the hue and saturation.